Hi friends, you can see a colorful set of mathematical solids which is a part of Alpha to Omega Mathematics Lab Kit of class 6 and many other classes. So here we present the net of mathematical solids by which you can form the real three-dimensional objects in maths that makes your geometry learning more enjoyable. I can show you one example. Here is the net of a solid. Let us fold it and see what is the real solid. Now I formed a very beautiful solid in mathematics. This has got 6 faces and 4 edges on top, 4 edges on the bottom and 4 lateral edges. So there are 12 edges, 4 corners at the bottom and 4 corners on top. So there are 8 corners. So this way you can study different properties of different mathematical solids with the help of the nets provided with Alpha to Omega Mathematical Lab Kit. So enjoy your maths learning by playing with all these types of mathematical solid nets. Thank you.
Alpha to Omega.
ISRT Alpha to Omega Mathematics Lab Kit. ഇനി കണക്കിന് 100-ൽ 100.